A little preview of that instant chicken garden we talked about. Chickens already just did a great job, and I think we had them on here for a week and a half, I believe. And they just did a fantastic job getting everything stirred up. And Angela's got her plants going up right here. And we'll kind of fill the rest of this in with some nice greens. And with that tree right there, the previous owners were telling me that tree right there shades the plants for a certain part of the morning, which would actually be really good for the greens, just to keep them from getting too hot during the day. At least that's the hope anyway. To be continued. And then we have our cabbage and broccoli. That is doing wonderful. Just wonderful. We have corn already sprouting over there. But plants are just doing great. Dad came over the other night, was checking some of our vegetables. He used to be a produce farmer back in the day. He actually tested one of my carrots. My carrots were doing fantastic. Carrots are getting to the point real soon where we'll be harvesting them. Goats sure do love the salad that we've been giving them, the spinach. It's been great. Kale is about ready to be harvested now. Well, the girls are ready to see me. Alright, girls. Good. Here they come. Come on, girls. Sitting out here with the goats, just enjoying them. It's a warm, beautiful day today, and they really have been loving this. It's really cool just to see them jump right in and they claimed it as home. And just looking at this and just reminiscing on the times that the kids and I had to when we built this, it was such an awesome adventure, and here's that adventure for you. Ready to build our pasture mobile? Huh? You help me? Yeah? What do you think you're gonna do? What's your job today? Huh? Gonna be cute and smile and laughing? Yeah? Keep mommy busy? Yeah? Is that what you're gonna do? You keep mommy busy? Yeah? Go. You ready? Let's do it. So they're working, getting these 4x6s all locked in. I look up and just a beautiful little view of the sun just kissing the tips of these trees. Just but a moment of sunlight. Alright. Oh, we have our 4x6s. Sweet frame. Moment of truth. Does it line up? Gotta get my game face on for this one. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, dude, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Ready to get eggs? Oh, he's ready to get eggs. I'm behind everybody today. I'm behind.
I wish you would have broken me up so I could go to Menards.
You can't go to Menards with me.
I know.
You're quarantined.
So,
Child.
I told you I wanted to go to Menards.
You got your eggs? Let's go. Hey, Grayson, I think you forgot your pants.
Dad, we only got 7 so far.
No pants needed for you, right?
What you doing, buddy?
Let's not see those horrible stickers.
Just getting some stuff so I could work on the roof. I was trying to find my screws, and I realized, I'm like, no way am I out of screws. No way. I had enough for this job. Where are my screws? Well, my son was in here earlier, and I realized, guess what else is missing? My galvanized nails. I had a huge bin of galvanized nails. Where would my nails and screws be? Well, I have a feeling that someone thought it was fun to drop them down here. That's exciting. Well, it was almost complete in one weekend. Got a nice little skylight for them. Some extra ventilation down here. We'll have to cover it up during the winter time a little bit. But it's absolutely going well. Really just happy how the whole thing turned out. I'm excited about getting it done, taking it for a little spin, and honestly, getting the animals moved into it. It's beautiful. I'm gonna put a door on. Gonna go get the rest of the walls. Mismanaged the amount of wood that I would need, and got the wrong boards, truthfully. Still looks great. Just didn't get the right size to complete this job. So, need a little bit of extra wood, but we're gonna get that door complete as well. And that sucker will be done soon. We got a couple other little Nice little additives to add to the modification. To modify yet to make it look pretty neat, but unfortunately, I was hoping the boys and I would get it all done together while they were here this weekend. But they return tomorrow, and I will probably have it done by the time they get back. But definitely a blast. Definitely a blast. As always, a good time. Even though everything did not go as well, the kids had a great time, and we had once again a great adventure on the homestead. This right here is what it's all about. At the end of the day, enjoying themselves. That's just life right there. And Stephen and Kylie were able to do some other projects on one of the days. It really helped them to build companionship, unity, good conversation builders.
I think leprosy isn't real. I think leprosy isn't real.
We're still working on that.
All of it's off.
Let's take a gander. All right, Kylie's egg operation.
Oh, it's hot then. So you're trying to put down.
How we doing? Ooh, there it is.
No, it's a normal cup.
See a yolk?
It'll be like the yolk right here.
Oh, it's not
It's
that
harder to see than in a white one, huh?
It is, that's what I was told. So sometimes, well, at least from my understanding, the brown eggs are actually harder to see if they're carrying a little chickling or not. So we're going to give it probably a couple more days and see. The girls are still going through there trying to see if they see something, see some action going on. But I think we're going to give that a few more days and see what's going on. I imagine with as active as our rooster's been, that we got to have at least one good one in there. But you never know. Just about got this whole thing all done. I want to get more, but my problem is I tend to keep going way beyond what I should. So I'm gonna call it, but I'm gonna try. I gotta get this done because we possibly have rain coming. And it looks like we might get some clouds. We have some clouds going on, so need to get that done. This cleaned up, birds taken care of, all before dark. Let's see what I can do. It's a whippoorwill. Whippoorwill. That's cool. I've never heard it before. And it's been hanging out around here. This is a great place to live. Ooh. Ha! Just in the nick of time. Just starting to feel some rain. Gonna close in everybody out here. Angela said she's thinking we had Gerald and the girls on the garden that Angela's gonna start planting on. They've been kind of tilling it up, getting the air right in the ground for us. They've been throwing some good stuff on there, just getting it ready to go to plant. And she said it's starting to stink. I mean, that's not good. I don't want it. If she smells something else, I don't smell anything. This is beautiful though. Can't see it in the dark, I don't think. Well, let's try. They just laid this all out beautifully. Spread everything well. They're ready for bed. Oh man. What a great day. There you go, Gerald. What you in there, dude? What you in there?
Silly boy.
We also lost a camera on this adventure. The camera I just bought to kind of for this purpose of vlogging our adventures, brand new, and we ended up losing the camera due to a unfortunate event. We're making a door, aren't we, Grayson? Yeah? Yeah? We already trimmed our door up here, and we're going to cut that to the proper length, and we're going to put that in. Everything on this whole process has gone very well, and I'm very happy with it. Looks just absolutely beautiful, honestly. I'm ready to get this door on and get it on a tractor and pull it around in the yard a little bit, see how she holds up. I mean, I'm pretty darn sure we're going to be good, but I still like you always have that what if feeling. So I'll have that on camera as well. My wife will be watching. That'll be the moment of real triumph and test. But because these animals we weren't exactly planning on until next year, but due to circumstances and just everything that's been going on, we decided, you know what, let's go ahead and let's make this work. You know, with certain blessings being provided, we were able to make all this happen. And we're very thankful and blessed. So I'm excited to get this door up on there. And we'll just spend some time putting some love into it and getting ready for those animals to be here. Judging by my tools being on the wheelbarrow, I think some people were camping out in here today. Let's see. Any evidence left behind? What are we here? Chips. Grayson's hat. I think he found himself a little fort. I like it.
You're taller than mommy now. Higher? You're gonna go higher? Okay, go. Be careful. What are you doing? Is that fun? Bye, Grayson. Why are you on the ladder? You are tall.
I was talking to the boys, and they are excited to come meet Opal and Ginger, and I'm stoked. This was not our dream when we first moved here, but very quickly, under the Lord's provisions and the way doors opened up, it became a dream, and it just becoming more and more of a reality, and I'm grateful for it. I hope you enjoyed that video. The kids and I had a blast making this Pasture Mobile. The memories we made this year will be forever. As always, thanks for joining us on our adventures. Please like, share, and subscribe to our videos, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Ginger's peeing on my camera stand. Now she's pooping on it. To have some companionship time, to build some quality time together. Hang with me, that's the goats.
Hey, there was one of those spikes just went in my head.
You okay?
Can you delete that?
Yeah, I'll get it.
Oh my god. See, that was in my head. It's bleeding.
Are you bleeding?
Yes. That spike went into my skull.
You know it's there, right?
Ah. Why? That hurt.
Understand, that's very interesting. They enjoy it. Whoa! Thought I lost another camera there for a minute. This is the reason for all the shaking. Thank you, Opal. Of course, we made the mistakes here and there, but all in all, the end result. I was talking to the boys, and they are absolutely... Hey, you're breathing into my microphone, honey. Yeah, there you go. There you go.